Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.3 trillion, up 2.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 46.6%. If we're looking at the overall markets, we are starting to see a lot of green across the board. And that's a very nice way to start the month of May. A lot of our analysts are calling this to be the start of the next leg up for the cryptocurrency market. So very exciting times ahead for cryptocurrency holders. But today I want to talk about none other than ADA, Cardano. Alright guys, if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, Cardano is currently trading at $1.34. It's down 1.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 2.6% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. ADA's rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is top 7, and market cap right now is $43 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $2.2 billion. If we're zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just 1 year alone, ADA is still up 2,680%. And in just the last 30 days, it's up a 12.2%. So everything is looking very, very nice for ADA. But I want to share one article with you guys before we do deep dive into the charts. So Cardano announced second major partnership in Africa. IOHK and World Mobile have teamed up on an initiative that will use Cardano's blockchain to create digital identities, mobile internet connections, and financial acceptance to communities and in Tanzania. Tanzania to benefit from Cardano. The continent of Africa, consisting of 1.3 billion people, has a huge problem with internet connection. As revealed, more than half of the population, 700 million, have no access to it. Tanzania is no exception. Moreover, the East African country struggles with its quality of education, healthcare system, and mobile connection as it lacks global connectivity. As announced yesterday, Input, Output, and World Mobile Group revealed a partnership that aims to establish better access to social, digital, and financial services in Tanzania through Cardano's blockchain. The report informed that the companies would start the project from the island of Zanzibar. Their main goal will be to deliver good quality internet connection while using sustainable solar-powered energy sources. Mike Watkins, CEO of World Mobile, said World Mobile has built a network based on a new relation between people and connectivity in which ownership, governance, and identity works to empower the user and make access available to all in a sustainable way. I am delighted to have formed this symbolic partnership with Input Output. Together, our efforts will open a new world. So very, very interesting. What they're doing is very, very nice. Like if you're a Cardano holder, this is very, very interesting news. So I had to share this with you guys. But now let's jump into ADA's price. All right, guys. So what is ADA doing? ADA is doing something I want it to be doing, exactly what I want it to be doing. And let me clear one thing up first before we jump into the charts. I have been seeing a lot of comments in my previous videos on Cardano. A lot of people are saying Cardano is crashing. Let me just point one thing out, guys. Cardano is not crashing. If we are measuring this just where it was from 2 days ago, guys, Cardano is literally only down 5% from where it was. These kind of movements occur. I know, a lot of viewers of mine, there's like newcomers coming in the markets. They are saying Cardano is not going up. It's very boring. Guys, it is not boring. Like if you are expecting markets to go up in one straight line without stopping and gains to be made left and right, I'm sorry to say, I don't think cryptocurrency is the right thing for you, because in cryptocurrencies, there's going to be some when newer highs occur, and there could be some consolidation periods. And in those consolidation periods, patience is needed because it could be boring. But if you cannot survive that, then I believe you guys can, I guess, do something else maybe. But there's never gonna be cryptocurrencies or any altcoin moving it straight up in one line without seeing some sort of consolidation. This is very, very healthy what we are seeing, and it's exactly what I wanted to be doing. All the Cardano holders that actually are holding and believe in the long-term future and have the patience, you guys know exactly what I am talking about. If we are looking, this is the upwards trend line for Cardano, and we are literally about to go back into this range. And I have said in my previous videos, if you guys go watch it, I said we will trade sideways here, and this is the month of May where we finally break this crucial level of resistance of $1.50. I'm sorry, $1.48. We tried to break it once, twice, broke it third time, saw a new all-time high, but we're unable to hold it. I believe we're finally about to break through it in this month of May, and breakout is very, very imminent. So to all the viewers that are saying that Cardano is crashing, guys, this is not called crashing. Like this is not called crashing. I know, like, I do not blame you guys. At the end of the day, you guys do want gains to be made right away, but I'm sorry to say, guys, that keep it realistic here. I'm sorry to say nothing is going to go up straight forever. There could be sometimes where a coin even accumulates for 2 to even 5 months before it sees some newer highs. But with ADA, I believe accumulation zone is coming to an end. As you guys may know, we have been in this accumulation zone since the month of February, and now it's May. And the breakout is imminent. As you guys may know, the markets are back into that green. A lot of analysts, as I have said, are saying that this is the next leg up for the cryptocurrency markets, and ADA is going to move up with the entire market. And like I said, I'll say it again, breakout is imminent, as if we're looking at the current momentum of the cryptocurrency markets. And also, if this is your first time coming on to my channel and you're new to cryptocurrencies, guys, always do your own due diligence and research before investing into crypto, and always invest what you can afford to lose. I cannot stress this enough. And to newcomers, I know these kind of wicks can scare you guys, and that's the point of these wicks occurring. These whales, or whenever these whales do tend to take profits, or Bitcoin could have a shake off, we do not have any control over that kind of situation, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the cryptocurrency markets. So meaning, if Bitcoin drops down, altcoins are going to go down with it, and Cardano is no exception. And that's exactly why we see these kind of wicks occur. And this is the reason, this is where a lot of people get shaken out, especially the new investors. Like I said, if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, patience will be your best friend in cryptocurrencies. But let's say you got in earlier on, and now the money that you have in crypto built up is too much for you to afford to lose, too much that you cannot afford to lose. Then guys, you should definitely have some sort of exit strategy in place where you lock in profits, just in case if markets do tend to go down and get manipulated, which they will. I always say that people tend to take profits, and manipulation can occur, so shake-offs do always occur. So you guys do not want to be shaken out. You guys do not want to be shaken out at all if you're a new investor and you have invested what you can afford to lose. But so far, guys, if we're seeing ADA breakout is very imminent. I believe in the next coming days we are about to enter back into this upwards trend line and trade sideways for a while, and finally break this level of resistance and head towards our newer all-time high. And $2 is the next target for me. If we're bringing out the Fibonacci retracement level, let me just bring that out for you guys, and we'll get a better picture over here. So yeah, so if we're looking at it, we are currently we are trying to get back into that 61.8 range, guys. As soon as we get, like I said, as soon as we get into this range and get back into this upwards trend line, it's just a matter of days before we do see some newer all-time highs. If we're measuring it right now, let's see how far ADA is away from its all-time high. It's only up, guys, 17.5% away from its all-time high. So a little bit more, a volume were to kick in, like a big spike, we are off to the races, and we're about to see some newer all-time highs, and $2 is the next target. But now, we have been talking a lot of bullish things lately. Let's talk about some bearish scenario, because on my channel, guys, I keep it realistic. I always keep it 100% realistic. So now let's look at the bearish scenario if that were to play out. Now let's say Bitcoin were to have a shake off, people take profits, and Bitcoin currently is at 57 or $58,000, but it goes to $50,000. And is that a possible scenario? Yes, it could definitely play out. If that were to happen, obviously altcoins are going to go down with it. Cardano is being no exception. We should be supported around this level of, as you guys can see, we have a long, strong level of support around this $1.03, and even at the $1 range. If we're unable to hold that, then this is the next stop at that 91 cents level. But I believe if we were to even go down to those levels, we will be bought back up very quickly. But as of now, guys, I do not see that happening. I see, the probability is higher for Cardano going up right now, because there's a more bullish momentum building up, and I believe a breakout is very, very imminent, very, very imminent. And as you guys may know, Cardano is doing something absolutely insane. As you guys may know, I have been saying it constantly over and over again. If you guys are new to my channel, I say it again. If you guys go on staking rewards right now, you guys can see the number one most crypto assets that's staked by value is Cardano. $30.4 billion worth of Cardano is being staked on the being staked right now, and that is roughly 85% of its circulation supply. That goes to show people have a lot of interest in ADA, and it's not only investor interest. There's a lot of developers are also interested in Cardano, because they want to build on Cardano now rather than Ethereum, because Ethereum has scalability issues, and it's old school tech, in my opinion. It's more of an investment type of thing now, in my opinion, because there's other alternatives such as Cardano, Polkadot, Solana that have a way better capabilities to be building on, and a lot of developers are seeing interest in these kind of blockchains rather than Ethereum, and we are seeing them shift away from Ethereum, and Cardano is the top one. We've been hearing the term ETH killer for the longest time. Since I've been in the cryptocurrency markets, I have seen so many ETH killers come out, but they all tend to fail. But I believe Cardano is the most closest we have ever seen to an ETH killer, and it is built by what's it called, Charles Hoskinson. And Charles Hoskinson is a co-founder of Ethereum. So guys, you guys can see why there's so much interest in Cardano, and $30.4 billion worth of ADA is being staked right now. And when we do see some more buying pressure kick in, guys, there is less ADA on the exchanges, meaning there's so much being staked, so that means there's less Cardano on the exchanges. So when the buying pressure kicks in, the demand is higher. Supply and demand, basic economic rule. When the supply is very low, which means less coins on the exchanges, and demand is very high, sky's the limit, guys. Sky is the limit, and we will move very fast if that were to happen. And everything is looking very, very bullish, guys. And guys, these kind of small movements up and down, it does not mean Cardano is crashing. Please, that does not mean Cardano is crashing. But with that being said, guys, I think I am going to wrap up today's video around here. Everything is looking very, very nice for ADA. As you guys may know, we do have a lot of big exchanges that we're listed on, such as Coinbase, Upbit, Binance, OKX, all the big exchanges. Majority of them we are listed on, so liquidity is not a problem. We just need a little bit more buying pressure to kick in, and we are off to the races. So everything is looking very, very nice for Cardano. And with that being said, guys, I think I will wrap up the video around here. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section below, where you could see Cardano being traded at the end of May. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And thank you. Thank you for all the support that you guys have been showing me. Each and every one of you guys that show me so much support, guys. Your support does not go unnoticed. I see each and every one of your comments, and it really, really does mean the world to me. Thank you so, so much. And I honestly really appreciate it. And guys, stay safe out there. Safety is important, health is important, and family is the most important thing. And everything else absolutely comes later. And guys, yeah, always do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. I cannot stress this enough. But with that being said, guys, I think this is it for today's update, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.